Good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. 12 November 2021. And I want to get into the Saitama drama. Everybody's talking all this smack about Saitama. Okay, what is this? Saitama, another meme coin. What is everybody talking about? I know what everybody's talking about. They're talking about all this growth, okay, that's happened in the last couple of days. Yeah, it's up. What is it today? It's 35 or 32%. And if you look at it over the last 7 days, let's just take a look at that. Oh my goodness, it's just unbelievable. Okay, it's just flying off. But what is it? Okay, what is it, and why is everybody so hype on this thing? Let's go dig into it and see what we got. And then I'm going to give you some of my feedback on what I think. But go over here to the Saitama site. Let's just take a look at that. Okay, so it says fostering the future of finance. Welcome to the Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. Your Saitama token is our medium. It was built on Ethereum blockchain ERC20 with a smart code that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. Okay. Okay. Let's watch the video. Maybe they can do a better job explaining this to me.
We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
Okay. Is that it? Okay, so wait a minute. Wait. So far, I don't really hear anything that sounds any different than a lot of the other cryptos out there. Okay, maybe let's see. Their mission is to educate. What do they got here? To educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Okay. Now, tell me one of the cryptos in the top 10 that doesn't do that. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we are still at an early stage of monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistribute wealth, and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but the global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need not only to overcome technological hurdles, but to simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that make people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. Hello, doesn't Coinbase do that? Doesn't Bittrex do that? What about Binance? Don't they do that? Okay, and we already got a whole bunch of, okay, what do we got on this transparency? Somebody tell me something. We believe transparency is a key factor for the success and longevity of our project, and therefore we are committed to a series of measures aimed at making Saitama the most transparent project in all the crypto market. Okay, these folks, they've been working hard. Okay, what's the roadmap? Help me there. Okay, let's see if we got something here. Maybe this will help us. Stage 1, token fair, 1,000 holders, white paper release, 2,000 Telegram members, CoinGecko listing, coin market cap listing. Okay, contract audit. Okay, stage 2, 6,000 holders. They want to get a bunch of holders. They want to get it listed everywhere. Okay, well, that's impressive. But why do I want this coin? Somebody please tell me why I want this coin. Saitama make an NFT platform. Oh, okay, now we're getting somewhere. Saitama DeFi wallet. Okay, everybody has a wallet. Saitama market. Okay. Okay, white paper, help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Okay, we're going to go to the white paper. Maybe the Saitama drama will get fixed here. I need someone to tell me why I want this. Why do I want Saitama? Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform that promotes global financial well-being by empowering the youth to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. Okay, I see pretty pictures. Opportunity. Young people inherit a broken world. Come on, y'all. With multiple crises that need to be solved by their generation in order to become sustainable. They believe that taking control of their lives is the first step to make change. But to do that, they will need to understand how money works, and that is neither taught at home nor at school. 90% of Gen Z say they feel confused or frustrated when the subject is finance. With debts to pay, lifetime goals and dreams to achieve, they must attain financial well-being and become comfortable with money and their economic status. This is where Saitama comes in, okay? Providing content that teaches them how money works while they invest. Opening opportunities for wealth creation. Our goal is to foster human connection through financial literacy, filling this gap in the crypto and financial market, and preparing the next generation of investors. I am very clueless about how they're going to do anything that Bitcoin doesn't do. Okay, what's this? They've got a safe and smart wallet that will allow the community to store their digital assets. Okay, that's interesting. Saitama Market, a marketplace where our community can use Saitama and other partner tokens to purchase goods and services. Okay, we've got a lot of coins doing that already. Show me something that's different than the other coins, please. Saitama, an NFT-based launchpad platform that will support users in our community to create, launch, and promote projects based on the Saitama monetary system. Okay, so they do have some capability, but uniqueness is an issue. This idea, let's see this, of educating people to become financially independent. Let's see what they got here. Multi-channel content platform publishing multiple content formats that educate on how to save, invest, manage money, and create wealth opportunities while entertaining your audience, our audience. Education partnerships, social media channels, content creators, Saitama community, media partnerships. Okay, I guess this is just one we're all going to have to agree to disagree on. Our token dynamics, okay? So what? Your ERC20 token, there's a lot of ERC20 tokens. You've got a plan to get your token into the hands of a lot of holders. Okay, that's great. Everybody wants to get their token in the hands of a lot of holders. Okay, you've got press interviews on TV, stage 4. You want to get in the Android marketplace, and then in stage 4, you want donations to charities and donation to student bodies and listings on more exchanges. You know, this is the classic problem with meme coins. A little bit of capability is great. A lot of capability is better. But we need uniqueness in this space. People are jumping on something that doesn't have the kind of real capability that a lot of other projects out there, some really serious projects with serious capabilities, are out there. How come nobody's talking about Neo? Why is no one talking about Neo? Why is no one talking about Tezos? We're talking about these little Rudy Poop doggy coins that don't have as much capability. They're having to go back and re-engineer the back end for these things to actually have some teeth, okay? I'm not trying to hate on Saitama. I'm just trying to say when it comes time to build the future of the Web 3.0, and we start talking about architectures that have the capability Okay, where is the uniqueness? Where is the difference between this coin and their ecosystem and the others? Show me why this is better than SHIB. Why is this better than what's coming for Doge? Why isn't anybody talking about Tezos? Why isn't anybody talking about Neo? Why isn't anybody talking about Cardano? Real projects with real capability, with real smart contract infrastructure already in place. Oh boy. What a spoiler. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.